The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Alachua County in northern Florida, Southwestern Union County in northern Florida, Southwestern Columbia County in northern Florida, until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a vigorous shower capable of producing a tornado was located over Upland Pines, or near Worthington Spring, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Providence around 6:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Columbia around 7:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Alachua, Columbia, and Union.